Hey little believers, did you know the Quran talks about some amazing animals? Let's take a look. The cow is so special that a whole chapter of the Quran is named after it. We also have the horse, which is super strong and fast. The camel's a champion of the desert. Giant elephant is mentioned. There's also the whale from the story of Prophet Yunus. The wolf, which appears in the story of Prophet Yusuf. What's your favorite animal from the Quran? Let me know in the comments.